The fly-trap plant eats insects. It got its name because it traps flies. It has leaves like jaws, with hairs on them. When a fly lands on the leaves, it touches the hairs. Then the leaves close and trap the fly. Juices from the leaves melt the fly. The plant drinks in the juices. The pitcher plant eats insects too. It has a leaf like a pitcher. The leaf has a pool of water at the bottom. Insects crawl into the pitcher plant and fall into the water. Then they cannot get out, and the pitcher plant eats them. The flypaper plant is just like flypaper. We use flypaper to catch flies. This plant does the same thing with sticky leaves. Insects land on the leaves and stick to the leaves. They cannot fly away, so the plant eats the insects. It doesn't get energy from the sun, soil, and water. It gets energy from the insects. It looks beautiful, but it's very dangerous for insects.